Dear friends, you have key to open your mind, just like a door in a house. If you want to enter inside the room or inside your house, you have to open your door. So thoughts actually remains forever. You will die. Your thoughts will remain forever. Just just like Vivekananda, isn't it? Vivekananda has died. No more now, isn't it? But his thoughts are remains. His thought is spreading all over the world. So you should have good thoughts in your mind. See that your thoughts create you. Your thoughts create your environment. Right thoughts create right environment and bad thoughts create bad environment. Everything depends upon how you look at the things. Suppose a fruit is falling from a tree, isn't it? Somebody is taking and eating, and somebody is thinking in different way. That is Newton. Newton is thinking different way and he created a law, Newton's law, isn't it? So everything depends upon how you look at the things. Bad thoughts create bad environment. I already told, isn't it? Good thoughts create good environment and bad thoughts create bad environment. Every thought is a cause and every condition has an effect. You see that picture, isn't it? A thief opening the door and finally he caught by the police and the police arrested him and sent to the jail. So every thought is an cause and every condition is an effect. This is a good example. Every thought is an cause and every condition is an effect, right? Suppose you plant a tree. In future, the plant will grow, isn't it, as a tree, and it is forming a good environment. See that? The first slide, it is an example of bad thought and it is a right thought. This tree plantation is a right thought. Am I creating or allowing things to happen? So you are responsible for good and bad thoughts. You only responsible. You should not blame others. You are the architect of your life. Again, I'll tell you, it's not blame others. You are the architect of your life. Thoughts and electricity are the same, right? Suppose right thoughts, you will survive. Bad thoughts, it will push you to death. Electricity is an example. Your thoughts attract relevant things and people. How strong is your inner wealth? Thought is an energy. Active thought is an active energy. Concentrated thought is concentrated energy. Thought concentrated on a definite purpose becomes. So if you want to become a successful person, first you observe and you have to combine with imagination. Observation plus imagination combined together, and if you are working hard, you will get the success. Thought, throw your mind across the bar before you throw your body. So thoughts should be good. Before you're winning a race, your thoughts should be always thinking about the winning point. You should not think about the losing point. Throw your mind across the bar before you throw your body. Convert thoughts into action, you will get the result. So, good thoughts are always not giving you anything. The thoughts should be converted into action. Right? First, you have to bring the good thoughts, and accordingly, you have to act to get the final success. So, make your key work for you. Thank you.